When working in Excel, you may wonder how to put m squared in Excel cells so that it looks like meters squared instead of just m2. It is surprisingly easy. Highlight the character you want to change. Click in the cell and highlight the 2. Click on the font expander, or you can push Ctrl+1 for the shortcut. Choose the superscript option and click OK. The other option is to insert the squared symbol. The benefit of using this method is that Excel sees this squared as a different character from a 2 that is formatted. This means that you can look for it or use Flash Fill to change all M2s in Excel to M squared. Click in the Insert ribbon. Click on Symbol. Choose the squared symbol and click the Insert button. Click on Data and then Flash Fill. It will convert all the M2s to M squared. Select the column or cells. Open the Number Format dialog box in the bottom right corner of the number group. Next, click Custom in the left-hand menu and type the following into the field. Click OK. When you type in a figure, the square meter will automatically be added to the figure you have typed in. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.